Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add payment method on Gumroad. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can add, for example, a bank account or how you can add PayPal, Payoneer. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this right now. Now, first thing you need to do, you want to log into your Gumroad, and what you need to do is you want to click on settings, just scroll down, and then you want to click here on settings here. Now after that you are in this page, now just need to click here on payments. In the top here, click on payments. Now here is the place where you can add your payment method. Now here the payout schedule, you can change it, for example, to monthly, or you can change it to weekly, for example. And also you can set here the minimum payout threshold. If you want to say, for example, the minimum, for example, is $30, and as you can see, payouts will only be issued once your balance reaches this amount. Now you can set this as you can add any amount you want here. So for me, I'm going to add $100. You can also pause payouts here, and it says here, by pausing payouts, they won't be processed until you decide to resume them. Okay, so just in case you want to pause payouts until you have like a certain amount of money, and then you can withdraw it all to your payment provider, like bank account or like debit card. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this, how you can do this in a few seconds. So here you may notice here you have bank account and debit card. Now if you click on debit card, you will need to add here the card number. Okay, and I'm going to do that right now. You can add here the card number. You can here add the name, the first name and the last name, and here the address. Okay, so after you add here all the things like the city, your state, your zip code, and after that you want to just enter here the last 4 digits of SSN, okay, which is like the security code. Okay, so by the way, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. Okay, just go to the comments and tell me your questions. So after you add here the last 4 digits of SSN, you can then click on confirm, and then that's going to be your payment provider, so that you can start receiving payouts to your like debit card. Now you can also connect PayPal here. As you can see at the very bottom, you can see here PayPal. So you can connect PayPal to your Gumroad, and then you can start to receive payments. The only downside of this is you must have earned at least $100 like lifetime when you start to sell on Gumroad. And also it says here you must have received at least 1 successful payout. So if you are if you already done these steps, like you already have earned at least $100, you can just click on connect with PayPal, and then you can start to receive payouts through your PayPal. So to add your Payoneer, because I told you that at the beginning, to add your Payoneer, you just need to click on bank account, and then you want to go to your Payoneer, click on request money, and then you can enter here the bank details from your own Payoneer account. Okay, so that way you will start to receive payments using with your own Payoneer account. You can just enter here the routing number, the account number. You can find that in your Payoneer account. Okay, so that's all you need to do. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I try to reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.